So basically, once the patient is going for IVF, their main question is regarding the cost, and next is the how the how what is the protocol of the treatment. So their most biggest apprehension for the treatment is the consecutive days of injections. Sometimes it's very not feasible for the patient to come every day to the hospital to take the injection. Second is the consecutive around 15-20 injection in a period of 20 days. So that creates a little apprehension in their mind regarding the pain of the procedure. So I think they don't discuss because it's a part of the treatment. So they undergo the pain and do the procedure, but end of the day they are still, people are apprehensive for the difficulty of the treatment once they are undergoing the treatment. So NFIS is been introduced to the IVF sector. It was initially given to the pediatric vaccine purpose, but I think it would be once it is used to the infertility treatment, then definitely the patient point of view, their anxiety, the apprehension that they will not be taking every day one or two pricks for the treatment, that would really make the patient comfortable and acceptance of IVF as a regular treatment. Like we are doing ultrasound, they are not fearful of the part, but once it comes to injection they are little fearful for the treatment. So that will definitely help the patient. If I see in treatment, like patients, if they are given a comfortable course of protocol, and if the patient is taking a intramuscular injection, they are little more apprehensive. Now that changed to subcutaneous administration. Now this needle free system will definitely make very big change in the treatment protocols, and it will cause the patient acceptance in a better way, because of the anxiety and the apprehension will be less for the treatment, and they will accept it as a regular treatment except barring the cost of the treatments. So Folicis is a biosimilar which is routinely used in our clinical practice since long time. So the biggest advantage is the cost, which is a big thing in the IVF treatment compared to the originator products. And secondly, the efficacy, because it is filled by mass. So there is chance because it has a more surety and accuracy of the dose which we are giving to the patients, and above it, like the batch to batch consistency is better in the foliage, and because we are using since long, definitely it is a wonderful product to be used in the day-to-day clinical practice. It is a wonderful initiative by Intas because people have always looked for the product, the efficacy, and the cost. But I think Intas has taken a little step ahead by thinking of the acceptance of the administration of part, because although it is not directly related to the product efficacy, but it will definitely increase the volume of IVF cases, because the patients, once they are used to the procedure and they do it in a comfortable way, then they will definitely relate it to their counterparts, and it will increase the volume of IVF cases which we routinely do. And above it, because IVF doesn't give the 100% success rate, so if we make it easy and affordable, then definitely the patient will be not unhappy with the treatment.